A little pocket. I'm gonna toast my white rice. Once it's halfway toasted, I'm gonna add the garlic and the onions in it. Pretty toasted, so let's go ahead and add the diced up onions and minced up garlic. So I'm using avocado oil to toast the rice, just a little bit. Ooh, that smells good. I'm gonna throw in my water. I'm gonna season it with salt, granulated garlic, chicken cubes, chicken bouillon, bay leaf, Spanish style paprika for color and taste. All right, let's bring it to a boil. Cover it, bring it to a boil, and then, yeah, let it do its thing. I know it says steak and meat seasoning. This is meat, so I'm going to season it anyways. I'm not making it too difficult today. I'm trying to cut back on beef. Oh, shit, that's a lot. And to moisten it up, add some olive oil. No, wait, this is avocado oil. I don't see, like, black pepper specks in here, so I'm going to add some myself. I'm using a cast iron skillet. Make sure you grease it up, though. I got my fire on, like, high medium, and I'm going to just let it sit and sear, and then flip it over. Let's flip our chicken over. Ooh, that's perfect. Look at that perfect sear. I'm going to saute some bacon. I'm also going to throw in some onions. I'm also going to add half a jalapeno. After your bacon has crisped up and everything is seared, we're going to go ahead and add our beans. This is pinto beans in a can. Bush's best pinto beans. I'm adding a can of water. And then 1 chicken bouillon cube. And then bring it back to a boil. Look, what I like to do is chop my chicken up, right? Dice it up. Get all that chicken in the skillet and mix it all back up in that sauce. Check on our rice. Ooh, I think my rice came out perfect, right? Don't you think? Look at this, nice and fluffy, not all sticky. Yes, yum. You want some? I'm hot, it's burning up, I'm ugly, I'm sweating, but let's go in for a taste test. And then look at my beans. What y'all think? Taste test on the beans. I'm using these corn tortillas, and I'm just gonna fry them. Chicken chipotle bowl, so save this recipe for next time. Last night? No, huh? I like when the tortillas is light and crispy and fluffy like this.
Mom was there.
Yeah, I was like, why is my tortilla like this?
Mom was there, but Mom wasn't watching.
Oh,
That means you can break the tortilla in half and put the food in the pocket.